Hello, this is Space Digital again with another gameplay update. Game dev update actually. This is part 4, and I've shown off some of the changes that I've made since the last update. This update was supposed to happen on Sunday. This video is actually remake of something I made yesterday, last night. I don't like how it turned out, so I'm making this again. So, okay, we're here again. And hopefully I can make this a little bit shorter. This is more succinct from the last one. Anyways, so there've been a lot of quality of life changes to the game. A lot of changes in general. Thing I want to focus on right here. Main thing is if you look at the game, the game as it stands right now. This is the game scene and view. As it is right now, you can see there are no players, right? Also, the stage is hidden. That has nothing to do with much of my changes. That has everything to do with just me just testing stuff. I have the stage hidden. The stage is still there though. There, it's just hidden. That's it. No panic. Anyways, but the players are not there. So where are they? Well, they are here. It's still a prefab. But what I did change, however, is how they are brought into the scene. Now, the game manager now has a basic concept of loading in player data, and so that's like it's just like a sort of a base of the idea of bringing in characters from the character select. So there's no character select at this time, but there is that base code that I can tweak in such a way, or not just tweak, actually flesh out based on this idea for the character select, which I'll get to later at some point. It's not here now, obviously, but I'll get to it at some point, of course. So what have we got? What does it look like? You notice something else. Maybe if you saw the last update, you may notice something else that is different regarding the characters that get loaded in at some point in the near future. This program has been running for like a few days straight. I've been putting my computer to sleep and not like closing anything. I should probably restart my computer soon, probably tonight. Anyways, when this thing starts up, you will see. Oh, there we go. All right, yay! We have a character in, and we have animations. Yay! All right, so we got characters. We have actual animations. I got an idle animation here. Also we have some other box data to go on the character here. So I have places for box data for standing, crouching, backward and forward, walking, jumping, those sorts of things. So yeah. It, yeah, so it's like the base of where I'm starting to work on prototyping the concept of animation, and I have it structured in such a way where I can control the actual frames of animation. And that was a bit weird to tinker with because Unity does not really um give you that a very straightforward like API for dealing with direct frame by frame animation. For whatever reason, I have no idea. I have not found, if at all possible, an API to set an exact frame as you want it. I don't know what's going on with that. But anyways, that's what I've been dealing with. And so yeah. Anyways, walk back, forward, crouch, jump, etc. That's been there. He's got some more animations that deal with the moves. And so, yeah. Oh man, that's why I was doing that. Oh, buddy, I think I realized my. So yeah, I've been learning a lot. This has actually been a nice learning experience. The learning Unity and all the things I might be, missing or don't know about the game at this point. You know, this I think this is supposed to be here. So like, there's no feedback, visual feedback for a lot of things at this point. But like, there was one thing where it was not. It was supposed to be an attack, but the attack didn't happen because it was happen on during the start event because the operation to check for colored box collisions was not triggered on the start event, which is I think was that event that actually happened there. But yeah, that was it. Now we got his. And if you see there in the display right here, can I make this a little? Let's see. It's not stretching though. Right though. Don't need it. Don't need it. Anyways, you see this hit stun thing right here? That's hit stun. When you hit a player, they'll be stunned for a few seconds. Not stunned, but they cannot perform an action for a few frames. So that's what that is. So that's the only way you can tell that the box is actually colliding. There are these red boxes in there. You can see them very briefly. You can see it more clearly here because there's a lot of active frames here. Yeah, I have to work on these boxes though. These hurt boxes because they're inconsistent. So I probably need to make something. It's like some sort of like a base push and hurt boxes for the players to like just get a nice starting point for um all of the moves. Otherwise, I'm gonna have some wildly different stuff, which isn't good. But yeah, say you can hit again, hit again, hit again, hit again, hit again, hit again, hit again. There are no jump attacks yet. The character only has 4 animations for their attacks. There's 5 animations, including the idle animation. The 4 attacks are light punch, hard punch, light kick, heavy kick. Those are the only animations I have, so I only have moves. Will have moves for those to start, and eventually, I'll add the other ones. So, um, what else have I changed? Quality of life. I did mention that quality of life. Plenty of changes to the editor, my custom editor, to do such things as changing frame data, so I can go through the frame data like this. There's a 3 active frame. Yep. I didn't actually change that here though. This is not really doing anything at this time. It's sort of a label. Most of this stuff is not actually doing anything right now. Ooh, what the heck happened here? I have no idea. I should fix. Oh no, it's because this box is so small. That's why. Also, this is actually smaller than it's supposed to be. I don't know why I need to fix that. Anyways, here and here. Ah, that's dumb. Anyways, yeah. So you can click go to the different um items in the list and go to the different frames. It affects the frame on the actual players themselves. So, and I think it only works when you cannot actually do that. Yeah. So it has to gotta stop the gotta toggle that off, which is increment local frame, and then you can actually execute a move and then go through the frame data like this. So yeah, it makes it really easy to um, move the frame data around, to edit the frame data. Let me see, box. Yeah, that's that. Real nice to edit that. I should probably make that threshold like 10 or something. I seriously doubt that I'm gonna need like a threshold of 20, so I'm gonna probably cut that down, and I can change it at any time, so not a big deal. Anyway, so that is that. Let me check on my notes here. Um, yeah, I think I did go over everything. Um, at this point. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I still have a lot of work to do, as you can see. I still have to have the hits actually doing something. I still um I need to work out other things as far as things like I'm not trying to think of tax. I need to add more animations. Need to add more data for like what the attacks will actually do. Get some base code there. Uh, and something else. I'm drawing a blank here. I can also add more like frame data for other moves. And also default boxes when I create a new move or a new box data for for a frame. This this is the data for a frame, and that has its own boxes here. You get it, the boxes down here, etc., etc. I still have to implement all of this. There's like nothing for this at this time, so it's still in the prototype phase, of course. There's a lot of work to do. I think I also really need to work on the camera angle, because I have not actually messed with the camera angle, so it's just kind of it's getting like behind this guy's knee, and that's which I don't want. So also another thing, I messed with the camera a bit. I don't have like any limiters on like the distance characters can be from one another. But excuse me, the camera movement is set there, so that's a thing that's gonna happen. But anyways, really appreciate you watching. Hope you are enjoying the journey that is mine thus far, and please stay tuned for like further updates, which I'll we try to put out every Sunday. Hopefully, I'll have real dates to give. And yeah, honestly, I probably won't make this Sunday. I may have to just skip Sunday for reasons. But yeah, that's it for now. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.